Alright, we're good now. Cool. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Zach, Swirls, Ken? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you guys for being here, as always. Guh? Yeah, today was pretty guh. We'll get to that. Will there be more guh? Who knows? Swirl says, took the loss on PVCX. The PCVX. Couldn't take the manipulation in the stock. Oh, well. Yeah, sorry about that, dude. I'm still holding. Down about 40%. Yeah, you know, that's how it goes. Sorry about that. Sometimes you gotta know when to cut. Wow, it just went down quite a bit, too, in the aftermarket here. So, yeah. Sometimes you gotta cut. I'm still currently in this. But, yeah, it is highly manipulated. So I'm going to keep holding. Hopefully it goes down. But, yeah, sorry, dude. But, shouldn't be all that bad. You'll make it back. MMAT keep pumping that. Yeah, MMTLP keeps pumping, not MMAT. Actually, did MMAT pump? It did. Oh, crap. So why did that not make StockTwits? MMTLP made it, but interesting. MMAT did not make it. Oh, well. So congrats to the apes. That is amazing. And Mitchell, I don't know if he's going to be here. He's not here right now, but Mitchell, I know he's still holding that, so wow. So congrats to everyone in MMAT and MMTLP. Will MMAT go to 2? It's quite possible. It's quite possible. That's where we'll switch the screen here in a second. But yeah, that would be the top of the cup. We'll switch the screen here in a second. What up, Koya? What's up? Appreciate you, dude. Mac's still hanging. It's because people bought puts expiry November 18th. Yeah, Mac is, I mean, it's holding up. It's kind of like another PCVX now. So, we'll see how it goes. Puts expiring November. So, that's this Friday. Yeah, still holding that. Okay. Cool. All right, let's do it, guys. Excuse me. So today is Monday, November 14th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. Well, first of all, I hope you guys had a great weekend. And yeah, Friday was a great way to end the week. And here today, not a great way to start the week. I mean, it wasn't terrible, but we'll get to that in a second. So I hope you guys made some tennies today. If not, hope it wasn't too bad. Regardless, got a great show for you guys. I mean, I did pretty good today. We'll get to that in a second here. That's what the short said. On where? What shorts? On StockTwits? Yeah, I don't know if you should be taking advice from... Well, usually retail... There is no retail. I mean, there are retail shorts, but usually shorts are professionals. Or professional retailers. November 18th put. So they're going to try to keep it above the strike on November. So you're saying next week it should tank? All right, that's cool. I'll hold till next week. Hopefully it will come down one day. Yeah, it should. But who knows? All right. So yeah, Ramenistan. Tough day today. Not a great way to start the week. But regardless, got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And my plays and our live rainbow bearing. And today we have a lot of articles. We have 6 articles today. Mostly crypto. So the whole, crypto contagion thing is still happening. So we got 6 articles, 5 about crypto, 1 about Ikigai. I think that's how you say it. Ikigai. I don't know if they're a hedge fund or exchange, but yeah, they're going under. They had exposure to FTX. Huobi had exposure to FTX, another article. One article about SBF losing his political influence. One about Binance and their current condition. And one about Crypto.com. So a lot of exchanges / hedge funds we're going to cover here today. Ikigai, Huobi, Binance, Crypto.com. And then last article is about the Fed and their predictions for the future. So a lot of articles today, 6 articles. Today for the TA, we're going to do DWAC. DWAC. Yeah, that went up quite a bit today, and it did make StockTwits, so we're gonna go with DWAC. And forgive me, guys, I actually did not have that much time to get set up today, for the show, so that's why we started a little late. But I do have my notes here from a previous TA from DWAC, so hopefully, so I may have to wing it a little bit, but yeah, we're gonna do DWAC today for the TA, and then we'll get to the Yolos. I think we have, how many Yolos we got today? So we have 8 Yolos, not that many Yolos. So that shouldn't take too long. So yeah, articles may take a bit long because there's a lot of them. The TA shouldn't take too long, and the YOLO shouldn't take too long. So I'm thinking maybe hour and a half to 2 hours today, depending on how many people coming in chat. Today is a red day, and Monday, which isn't the best day for streaming. So, yeah, depending on how many people coming in chat, we'll see how long today's show go. But I'm thinking hour and a half, 2 hours. Okay, I think we got everything covered there. All right, so let's get started, guys. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, short on StockTwits. Yeah, I don't know if you should be taking advice from people on StockTwits, but sure. Tuition owns 60% Mac. I don't know what you mean by that. Can you see how much puts are bought and call on which stock? On which stock? Yes, you can. Well, you could see how many puts and calls are traded, not bought or sold. But yes, you can. You can see that. On which stock though? Do Kwon just came out with a new coin. Really? I would not trust that. Can you do ARK, ARKK, please? Buy calls for DWAC. Go to 180 bucks. Drop told me that. Yeah, I'm actually gonna short it. I'm not saying you guys should do it. This is kind of dangerous, but DWC is pumping today, and I'm trying to reshort that. So I am not buying calls. I wouldn't buy options on that period, but I'm currently trying to short that. Okay. Mac. Okay, yeah. All right, so we'll look at Mac, ARK, and MMAT, I guess. All right. Yeah, guys, so I already said it, but yeah, please smash the like button if you haven't yet. All right, let's get started. All right. Let's do some live rainbow bearing first, actually. Okay. Not seeing much going on yet. Foxo. I guess that's something. Foxo. Keep an eye on that. I don't see much going on, though. Aftermarket. No. Okay. Got something here. AZTA. Alright, earnings. Never mind. SHLS. EFSH. Alright, not seeing any aftermarket action here. There's a few things that are popping, but looks like either no news or earnings. Yeah, alright, so we'll keep an eye on this. No rival bearing. You shorting Trump, boo? Hey, I have nothing against Trump. I'm just trying to make some money. It's not about politics. It's about money. Apple couldn't break that 150 resistance. Go. All right, so let's look at some charts right now. So MMAT. So yeah, this can go to 2. Ken, like you asked, that's where the cup would be. Top of the cup would be. I think at the very most it's going to 2 though. I definitely sell before 2. Now is a good time to sell actually. RSI is over 70. So yes, this may go to 2, but I really don't think it's going more than 2. Alright, let's do ARC. Alright, this has been pumping lately. Okay. But, so maybe it may have already topped out at like 41. Maybe it'll go to 45. Maybe 46. Yeah, there's a gap up here at 34.26. So probably coming back down there to 34. RSI is at 55, so pretty average there. Yeah, it looks bearish to me in the short term. So it may pump a little more, but I think it's going to come back to 34 before it pumps again. So I'm going to say short-term bearish, long-term bullish on this. What just happened? Oh, I just covered. Word. I just covered FSRD. I don't know why it's tanking so much in the aftermarket, but FSRD is, wow, going BitConnect. Alright, so I just made a fat bag here. Sorry, live runnable bearing. Let's switch this up real quick. Yeah, so ARKK, I'm saying short-term bearish, long-term bullish. Yeah, what's going on here? FSRD. So this is falling off a cliff. It's at 15 now. I just covered at 17. What is going on? I don't know what's going on here. But FSRD is tanking for no reason in the aftermarket. Manipulation going on. Something. But hey, I just covered at 17, so not complaining. But now it's at 15. Anyway, cashed out. Nice. Oh, I guess we forgot to... Now it's at 14. Great. Ready? Where's the meme? Where's my meme? He bought. He covered. Dump it. Boom. Now it's at 13. Look at that. Now it's at 13. You can't make this stuff up. You can't make this stuff up. Now it's at 13. Now it's going to 12. Watch. So I just covered at 17. Offering? Was there an offering? Yes, I have minus 46 now. Bruh. I mean, it doesn't say offering. There's no news. Are you just saying offering, Ken? There's no offering, dude. I don't know why this is tanking. It's at 13 right now. Minus 46%. Alright, cool. Beats me. Alright. Sorry. What else are we looking at? Can I FOMO into what? FSRD? I probably wouldn't do that, but suit yourself, dude. Not financial advice. Okay. It's coming back up now. Anyway. So that was ARC. We're looking at MAC now. Insider note. Yeah, something shady is definitely going on there. I don't even know what, but there's definitely some manipulation. Okay. MAC. Time and sales. So yeah, this is a very low float stock, dude. The calls and the puts are really not even... It looks like a lot of puts. Mostly puts, but this is very low float. You can't even make assumptions on this. There are barely any options getting traded here. And it only did 234K in volume, so... Yeah, I really can't. It looks like they're buying puts, but I wouldn't even put too much, thought behind that, because it's very low float. Alright, what else are we looking at? I think that's it. Oh, JP Morgan. JP Morgan. What's up with JP Morgan? That's not too bad. Alright, it's recovering. So I guess they had earnings or something. No earnings? Yeah, I don't know what's up with JP Morgan. No idea. So it did tank, and now it's coming back up. But yeah, I don't know. Really don't know, guys. Weird stuff going on here. All right, FSRD is actually pushing 12 now. 6 million put option. Market maker don't want to pay. Yeah, for sure. I wouldn't doubt that. Offering in JP Morgan? No, y'all are playing now. Yeah, I don't know what's up with JP Morgan. Anyway. So that's cool. Let's get to my plays today, which... All right, FSRD, KLR, SEV, and... All right, that's it. All right, so my plays today. So PCVX, still bag holding that one. It's actually down 1.4% today in the aftermarket. So I made 40 bucks there as of right now. MACK, still bag holding this one. It's pretty break even. I think I'm up a little bit here. Up 25 bucks. FSRD, just covered that one, 17. It's sitting at 14 now. How much did I make there? $750. So I made 810 on that. Nice. Fat gain there. KLR, this one... I was up 10%, but I got stopped out at 94, so I actually lost 10 bucks there, and it finishes at 102, so that was good stop loss. And finally, SEV, so down 6% today. Yeah, up 465 right now. It's at 129. I want to cover at 125, so hopefully that hits either in the aftermarket or tomorrow. But let's see here. I did pretty good today. I made almost 1,100 bucks. Almost 1,100 bucks. Hey, I'll take it. I will take it. Let's go. No, I think you guys are causing FUD. I don't think there's an offering in anything here. Be your earnings. Oh, what up, Mitchell? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Bro, Vegas in January, bro. Yeah, so, yeah, MMTLP. I can't believe this is still going. It legit is squeezing. And, you know, credit to you, and you got some big balls. It's a credit to you and all the apes for still holding. This is absolutely crazy. So I'm not even going to speculate on how high this can go. This is a all-time high. So, to the moon, I hope. Congrats to you, Mitchell. And just remember, at some point, you got to hit the sub button. Appreciate you for being here, dude. And congrats. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Okay, what's next? Let's do another scan, and then let's get to the watch list. Earnings. AYTU. Alright, earnings. Everything. Oh, wait. NBSE? Hold up. What's going on there? Nothing. Alright. Still looks like nothing. JP Morgan would never drop a biotech offering. It's never drop an offering. It's not a biotech startup. Yeah, touche. Hey, never say never. You know, once retail stocks, Bed Bath & Beyond, GameStop, AMC, you know. JP Morgan might be a meme stock in a few years. The way it's going, who knows? Never say never, but yes, highly unlikely. Even MMAT running up. Yeah, even that. I'm surprised it didn't make StockTwits actually top 10. You still have MMAT also, Mitchell? Hope you do. All right, guys, let's get to the watch list. Okay, cool. FSRD's back to 16 now. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there at all. But whatever. All right, this is the watch list. Start on the green side. All right, so the Dow Jones up 0.63%. NASDAQ up 0.98%. Or excuse me, down. Let's redo that. Dow Jones down 0.63%. NASDAQ down 0.98%. And the S&P down 0.85%.
And it's gone.
All right. VIX is up 5.37%, up 1.21 points. So we're at 23.73 VIX now. Which, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Big increase in VIX here today, but we're doing pretty good. A 24 VIX still isn't the best, but we were at 30, 35 not so long ago, so we are still headed in the right direction, but just not today. Anyway, let's take a look here. So, yeah, a lot of memes mooning. TBLT, 72%. Don't know why, but that's squeezing XELA, squeezing 45%. I think that makes StockTwits, but let me double check here. Yeah, it only had 2,000 mentions. Even DWAC, it doesn't have that many mentions, to be honest. Interesting. Yeah, so XALA was number 8. 2,000 mentions. Honorable mention there. MMAT, 29%. Yeah, there's DWAC, which we're going to analyze. Yeah, a lot of memes. ATER. Pfizer doing good. Netflix doing good. So there's some value here. AMC up. Meta's up. Not much, though. So mostly memes were, growth in memes really popped today. The select ones, at least. The retail favorites. Not much value, though. So I'm assuming value is holding down the market today. Let's check it out. Damn, ASTS pulling back. Ape's getting wrecked there. Robinhood keeps going down, 8.7%. Coinbase, 7.4%. Wish keeps going down. There's actually a good amount of memes on the red side, too. So some select memes really pumped, really mooned, squeezed, and other memes down quite a bit. Actually don't see too much value. Oh, here's Walmart, 3%. Yeah, GM, Tesla keeps going down. All right, so there's a decent amount of value in the red here. Combination of growth and value, but yeah, so that would do it. So some select memes really in the green, mooning, squeezing. Other memes / growth not doing so well, and value not doing so well. So overall, I think value really held on the market today. So as an ape, you may or may not have made money, depending on what you're in. Either made money or got wrecked. And Boomer's not doing that great today. Well, it shouldn't have lost that much. But yeah, not the best day in the market, but not terrible. So I'll take it. Hope you guys hope you guys made money, and I hope you guys didn't lose too much money. You accumulated 800 more shares, so you got 5,400 shares. Damn, dude. That is a lot of damn shares. Oh, wow, that's bank. All right, dude. Yeah, I hope that keeps flipping. Congrats to you. Awesome. So maybe MMAT was worth it to buy and hold, but nobody thought it would be on this on the special dividend. All right, cool. Oops. Okay. Yep, that's the stock market, guys. Let's get on to crypto. Let's do another scan real quick. SYTA. Oops. Yeah, not sure why that's pumping. No reason. VRAR. IMGN. Earnings. Yeah, just a whole bunch of earnings. Alright, nothing going on. Come back to that. LPX. Yep, whole bunch of nothing. Alright, we'll come back to this. Let's get to crypto and the news. VIX bottoming. It's getting there. We need to get on the 21st. I don't think it bottomed yet. Also, 4,500 little shares are at 0 average. Wow. Can't believe I waited for a year and a half. Yeah, that's some real diamond hands, dude. Glad it's paying off. All right. Cool. What are we doing? Crypto in the news. Right. 1 second, guys. Okay. Let's give this, it's actually almost done loading. Give this another few seconds, finish loading, and we'll, do crypto here, and then the news. Interesting. I'm stuck in AVCT, don't know what to do. I should probably cut it. What's your average, dude? We can take a look at that. Let me just finish up with the, crypto in the news, and we'll get into AVCT and then DWAC. All right, still loading, but we'll get started anyway here. All right, so crypto is up 0.23% today. Not bad, little gain, slightly bullish. I'll take it. Little lag here. All right, let's check it out. So Bitcoin pretty even, down a little bit, holding 16K. Ether up about 1%, holding 1,200. Binance down a little bit, holding pretty well. XRP pumping 10%. Doge up 1%. Not much action here. Looks like more green than red, but yeah, really not so much price action. Pretty uneventful day in crypto. Chronos is up a lot, 15.4%. Wonder why. That's kind of weird. Stuff is still loading. I guess we'll start on the red side here. It looks pretty 50-50. We'll just call it 50-50. Green and red. But looks like here on the red side, not so much price action. Nothing double digits. Worst loser is Convex Finance, 8.5%. And I don't see too much value. There's Leo, Tron, Litecoin. So yeah, 50% of the coins in the red, but not much price action. And let's get to the green side. Alright, so not much price action on the green side either, but there is more price action. Chronos, Synthetics, KuCoin, and Trust Wallet. All in double digits. There's a good amount of value here. XRP, Solana, Polygon, Bitcoin Cash, Uniswap. So yeah, that would do it. Yeah, so it's like 50-50 green and red, but more value in the green and more price action on the green side. So slightly bullish, but really not too much happening here in crypto today. But I'll take it. I'll take it. Better than red. So, yeah, hope you guys made money in stock market. Bearish day there. If not, hope it wasn't too bad. And hope you guys made money in crypto here today. And even if you lost it shouldn't have been that bad. All right. Cool. Let's get to some news. So once again, guys, we have 6 articles today. 5 about crypto. 1 about Ikigai, 1 about Huobi, 1 about FTX, Binance, Crypto.com, and the last article is about the Fed. So this should take a little longer than usual. Got quite a bit of articles here today, but all right, let's do it. So crypto hedge fund, Ikigai loses access to large majority of assets on FTX. Founder. Crypto investment funds are seeing their assets trapped in the unfolding collapse of FTX. Okay. So let's see here. So yeah, I don't even know what Ikigai is. I've never heard of it. But yeah, a large majority of the hedge fund's total assets are in FTX. So I don't think they're saying how much. Doesn't say how much they lost, but yeah, this hedge fund lost the majority of their funds, so that's not good. Very disgusting. It also says 95 million from Ontario Teachers Pension Fund got lost, and 30 million got lost from CoinShares, and there's a lot of other people who lost too. But all right. All right, we're back live again. I don't know what happened, but we got cut off real quick there. So I think we're good now. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, we got cut off real quick. We're back. So yeah, Ikigai. Never heard of this hedge fund, but it's getting wrecked. Getting absolutely wrecked. Very sorry for the hedge fund and their investors. All right, moving on. Former Huobi linked entity says it has 18.1 million stuck on FTX. Okay. Oh, so it used to be Huobi Global. Now it's New Huo Technology. I don't know if it's still owned by Huobi. Anyway, so it used to be Huobi. And yeah, so they're out $18 million on FTX. Yeah, that sucks. Is this a hedge fund also? Or is this a exchange? Anyway, they're getting bailed out. They're getting 14 million to get bailed out. So at least they're gonna get saved. I don't know by who. But yeah, this so New Huo Technology down 18 million. All right, this is about FPX. So Washington lobbyists sever ties with FTX founders SBF after crypto exchange implodes. Former FTX CEO SBF and his allies are losing advocates in Washington. Lobbyists who work for FTX and Guarding Against Pandemics, a nonprofit partially funded by SBF and run by his brother, told CNBC they have severed ties. FTX announced Friday it was filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy and that SBF was stepping down as CEO after revelations of a liquidity crisis at the cryptocurrency exchange. Okay, So yes, this guy was a huge donor politically, had a lot of influence, and yep, not anymore. So he gave 39 million, which is like chump change to him. Anyway, yeah, so yeah, this is not going good for this guy. Losing all the money, losing all his credibility, connections, everything. Yeah, it sucks to be this guy right now. Buffett closing large stake in Taiwan semi, Moon for semis. I mean, I don't know if that's bullish. That's kind of concerning actually, but hey, I hope so. All right, next one. Binance is seeing a slight increase in withdrawals, but otherwise it's business as usual, CEO says. Binance has seen a slight increase in withdrawals, said CEO CZ Monday, but he added this was in line with typical activity during times of decline in the crypto market. FTX entered bankruptcy on Friday after facing a liquidity crunch as investors fled over concerns about its financial health. Earlier Monday, Crypto.com CEO Chris Marszalek sought to downplay concerns of an FTX-like liquidity crunch, stating his firm has tremendously strong balance sheet. Okay. So, we got to take their word for it. CZ says everything is cool, but withdrawals are increasing. And Crypto.com is... I mean, I don't really trust it right now, but they claim they're okay. But yeah, the other day, last week, they did suspend withdrawals on Solana, so that was kind of concerning. Anyway, so as of right now, Binance is good, and Crypto.com is good. I do believe Binance is good. I don't know about Crypto.com, but we'll take his word for it right now. All right, Crypto.com CEO downplays FTX contagion fears, says he'll prove naysayers wrong as withdrawals rise. All right, so yeah, we just kind of covered that. But Crypto.com CEO Chris Marszalek said his firm had a tremendously strong balance sheet and wasn't engaged in the kinds of practices that caused FTX's collapse. We never engage as a company in any irresponsible lending practices. We never took any third-party risks, Marszalek said in Ask Me Anything on YouTube. It comes after the revelation Sunday that Crypto.com mistakenly sent $400 million worth of Ether to Gate.io, another crypto exchange, in October. What? Okay. Yeah, I don't know how believable this is because they're still offering 10% APR on stablecoins. So I would not be surprised if they're doing the same thing FTX did with FTT, except with CRO. And what do you mean they sent 400 mil to Ether to Gate.io? Did you get it back? Bruh. Anyway, so what is he supposed to say? I don't really trust this. And this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. I don't trust Crypto.com right now. But he says it's good, so we'll see what happens. All right, last one. Fed Vice Chair Brainerd says it may move soon. Be appropriate to move to lower pace of rate hikes. Federal Reserve Chair Leo Brainerd indicated Monday that the central bank could soon slow the pace of its interest rate increases. I think it'll probably be appropriate soon to move a slower pace of rate increases, she told Bloomberg News in a live interview. All right, so maybe we are going to get a pivot. I mean, I wouldn't really call it a pivot, but a slowdown, which I don't really know if that's bullish or bearish. But it appears like inflation is getting under control, so they are going to slow it down. Yeah, it looks like it's finally starting to work, so that's good at least. So yeah, I wouldn't call this a pivot, but a rate decrease. And that's probably bullish. Anyway, so going forward, expect the market to be, more bullish due to rate slowdowns. Yeah, slower pace of rate hikes. Okay. Cool. All right, so that is all the news for today. Actually got through that pretty quickly because no one's really chatting here. Let me check YouTube real quick. See how many people are still here. I think a lot of people dipped. It says 4 viewers, 9 likes. All right, so a lot of people still here. Appreciate you guys.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. PDSB still a good short at 7. Don't know, dude. We'll check it out here. Where's my button? All right, let's do quick scan here. Then we'll look at AVCT and PDSB. All right, so I don't think there's. All right, earnings, ZDGE. IMGN. All right, here's something. IMGN. Sorry about the sirens, guys. Gonna talk over it. We finally got something here. FSRD's down at 15 now. IMG. Oop. US oil good, 4%. Yeah, that's pretty good. That is pretty good. All right, hold up. IMGN. $5.86. All right, let's do some quick math. Sorry, guys, just doing some live variable bearing. I'm going to put it in order here for 821. I don't know if it's going to hit. Probably not. Let's see here. 305. All right. All right, so I just put in an order for IMGN for 821. We'll see if that hits. All right. What are we looking at? AVCT. Wow. Okay. Yeah, Mitchell. Yeah, I don't know what your average is, or if you're still here, Mitchell. I'm gonna be honest. Cutting probably isn't the best move right now, because this is at such a low, and the RSI is at 37. Yeah, this is a tough spot, because it's really low, and it is a meme stock, and you don't want to sell because it's already so low, but then it is a meme stock, so you never know what's going to happen. Yeah, are there options? All right, so are there options? I don't think these are options. Not really. Volume. Yeah, this isn't real options, are they? I don't think so. All right, so you either gotta just hold it, dude, or I don't know what your loss is, and I hope you're still here. But when you do cash out your MMAT and MMTLP gains, you can cut this as a loss and just deduct the losses from your gains. And hopefully your gains are more than your losses. They should be, right? So I think that's the way to go about this. So I know you have a big gain on MMTLP. So when you cut that for a gain, cut this for a loss, deduct the losses from your gains. That's probably the best way to go about it. Tax harvest, not financial advice. Okay, PDSB. All right, so this one, I would not go for it because this is a earnings pump. This is an earnings pump, and you know that's something I usually don't mess with. I usually just mess with retail pumps. Wait a minute. Yeah, no, it is an earnings pump. It is an earnings pump. Okay. Yeah, so I wouldn't even mess with this one, dude, to be honest. Oh, Mitchell's still here. All right, dude, yeah, so I think that's the best way to go about it. I don't know what your averages are, but oh, you talked about MMTLP. But anyway, so if your average in if you lost if you made more money in MMTLP than you lost in AVCT, which I'm assuming you did, just cut that. Cut them both. Cut the loss, cut the gain, deduct it from each other. AMTD real quick? Yeah, sure. AMTD. Whoop. All right, another one. This is pretty much the same thing. It looks like it's bottoming at 1. Very strong support there. And I wouldn't really cut it because this is so low already. All-time low. Does this have options? I don't think so. No. All right, so same thing. You're probably going to have to either just hold this and hopefully it goes back up next time Me-Mania is. Or, again, cut this for a loss, deduct it against your MMTLP gains. So, yeah, the best way to go about these are just tax harvesting. Deduct it against your losses. Or against your gains. Okay. Cool. I think I got everything there. All right, so now it's 4:54. We're doing pretty good on time here. So we're going to do DWAC. I don't even know if we should do this, to be honest. Because it's losing a lot of mentions on StockTwits. It is. Don't do it then. Probably should. We're just gonna do it, and I may or may not make a video later, because this is worth doing. The TA is worth doing, but it's only getting 2,500 mentions, so the video probably isn't gonna get that many views. We'll just do it, and I may or may not do the video later. Okay. Great. Okay. All right. What happened to XCLA? What the hell? That's selling off. Oh my god. What happened to XCLA? Hold up. Did they do an offering? What is that? What is that? Oh, they had earnings. So they had bad earnings, I'm assuming. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it. So like, everyone was aping into good earnings. They were predicting good earnings, and then, yep, now it's good. Were you in it? Go. No, I was not in it. I was looking to get in it if it kept running, but, nope. Yeah, so bad earnings. That's getting wrecked right now. Cool. Alright, let's do DWAC. Got my notes here. Okay. Actually, hold up. 64.27. Alright, that's a triple gap down. 42.37. It's quadruple gap down. Alright, quadruple gap down. And is that a double gap up? No, single gap up. $25.44. Double gap up. Okay. Okay. RSI's bearish. MACD bullish. Alright, I think we're good here. Cool. Alright, guys, so we're going to do DWAC. I don't know if there's going to be a video later. But, alright, let's do it. So here is DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp, or True Social. This finishes at $27.83 today. That is up. This finishes at $27.83 today. That is up 10.92%. DWAC last year, my biggest win. Yes, also my biggest loss last year. But it's all good. All right. So we talked about this stock last week. It was pumping / squeezing on rumors of Donald Trump going to announce his presidential run for 2024. So it pumped up to 30, pulled back to 20, and in the past few trading sessions, it's been pumping again, now back up to 28. And there is a reason as to why the stock has been pumping lately. Oops. We do have some news. So the news is that Donald Trump posted on True Social, hopefully tomorrow will turn out to be one of the most important days in the history of our country. So apes are buying the stock, reacting to Donald Trump's tweet. So tomorrow's the big catalyst. And this is still just a rumor, not confirmed, but it appears like Donald Trump is going to announce his 2024 presidential run tomorrow, Tuesday, November 15th, 2022. And as a result, the stock is again pumping today. This was number 5 on StockTwits today. Had over 2,500 mentions, so once again, we're going to analyze it. And today's TA is going to be more or less the same from last week's, just with the updated price action. All right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. That's how you hate the stock, don't you? Yeah, I do. I really do, but I already shorted it a couple times and made money back, so it is what it is. You know, yes, I do hate the stock, but, you know, a lot of it was my fault. Should have put a stop loss. It's okay. We're all good now. They're probably announcing that he'll run for 2024. Yeah, that's exactly what he's going to do. Make America Great Again, another one. Yep. Yeah, so big catalyst tomorrow. Probably going to announce that and probably sell off, but we'll see. Okay. All right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being around 1550. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be $30. And if it is $30, well, it can be $30, 31, 32.50, 33.60, yeah, or 33.60. And in the longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle where this has the potential to go all the way back up to the high of 102. Although I do believe the most realistic tops would be $30 or $31. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Okay. And then we have a quadruple gap down. First gap down is back at 42.35. So that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 42.35 to fill this gap. Second gap down was back at 54.05. So another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 54.05 to fill this gap. Third gap down is back at 59. So another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 59 to fill this gap. And the last gap down was back at 64.25. So another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 64.25 to fill this gap. And those gaps will probably fill in the longer term. I do not expect those gaps to fill anytime soon. Okay. MACD. Probably should have did the MACD first. That's all right. Okay. Just some stuff here. Okay. Down here on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line has crossed the signal line. The MACD line has been above the signal line for a while now, and is pulling away to the upside. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to buy. Okay. The RSI, the relative strength index, is currently at 67. So not quite overbought and overvalued, but quickly approaching that. So be careful, guys, according to the RSI. So the RSI is a bearish indicator. That is telling us that the current price of $28 should be a lot lower. Okay. Cool. Two gap up RSI. Aftermarket action. Okay. In the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 2760. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will sell off. And then we have a double gap up. First gap up was created today back at 25.45. So that's a bearish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should pull back down to 25.45 to fill this gap. And then we have another gap up back at 18.30. So another bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 18.30 to fill this gap. And those two gaps should fill in the short term. Okay, I think I got everything. Cool. All right, there we go. Do I need to add any here? Alright, don't mind me, guys. Just, making some adjustments here. And the siren is coming, so we'll just fix this real quick while that passes. Alright, I think that's good. Alright, one more here. Alright, now that... too many. Too many. Alright, now that should be good. Probably more I missed, but I'm gonna be here all day doing this. Alright, my bad. We should be good now. That's the best it's gonna get. Alright, so we're gonna go to... We're gonna go to 55 and down to 0, I guess. Should I sell DWAC at 180 bucks? If it ever gets there, yeah, I highly doubt it. Bought at 18 and sold at 145. Yeah, back in the day, that was the big tendies, but unlikely this time. Anyway, let's do it. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Okay. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 28.15 and 27.55. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 28.80, 29.50, 30, 30.55, 31, 32.25, 33.25, 35.70, 37.65, 39.60, 40.90, 42, 42.70, 43.50, 44.70, 45.65, 46.45, 48.45, 49.85, 51.15, 52.15, 53.45, and then 55.50. There is resistance above 55.50, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside... Did I miss another one? Alright, let's draw another one. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 27.55, 27.05, 26.55, 25.45, 24.50, 23.40, 22.50, 21.55, 20.45, 19.75, 18.25, 17.60, 16.95, 16.50, 16, 15, 15.65, 12.75, 10.65, and then Okay. Let's see here. Yeah. So right now at the current price, 27.83, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 31 to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get wider. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks $31 to the upside. And to the downside, if/when this breaks 26.55, the channel starts to open up and get wider. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 26.55 to the downside. And this did 8.3 million in volume today. Actually don't know what the average volume is. Whatever. Which is significant volume, so this pump today was confirmed by the volume. All right. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So fundamentally, I really don't think this stock is that great. It's not a good social media platform. They're having a lot of money issues already. But this is a meme stock. But technically, not gonna lie, the chart looks pretty bullish. Actually, you know what? Nah. No, it's not actually. And technically, this may have a bit more upside. This may have a bit more upside to go in the short term. But the chart is starting. But the chart is starting to look really. But the chart is starting to look pretty bearish. We do have a pretty good mix of bullish and bearish indicators, but we have some pretty strong bearish indicators. So both fundamentally and technically, the stock is not looking too good. It's not a popular opinion, but I'm just telling the truth. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. You already missed huge upside from a few days ago. This went up, what? This went from 18 all the way to 30. And here at around 28, it's a bit too late to go long. You missed your chance. That would be FOMO, and you're probably going to get burned. The current entry of 27.83 is really not a good one, according to the RSI. Let's see here. So based on the cup and handle here, I think this will probably top out. There's a good chance this already topped out at $30. Maybe it'll go to 30. Maybe it'll go to 33.70 to complete the cup there. But it really shouldn't go further than that. So we'll just call 33.70 the possible top, and that's honestly being a bit generous. So from the current price of 27.83, times 33.70. All right, we'll just call it 20%. And from the current price of 27.83, that would be about a 20% upside potential. And again, in the short term, this should pull back down to 18.30 to fill the gap there. And from the current price of 27.83, that would be about a 35% downside potential. So I would say going along at the current price, 27.83 would be a medium risk, would be a high risk, medium reward play. Not really worth it in my opinion. There is still a decent amount of upside potential, but the reward does not outweigh the risk. So if you want to go long, please do that at your own risk. But personally, I think it's better to just stay away from this on the long side. However, I will say that if when this does come back down to 18.30 to fill the gap there, then I think that would be an excellent entry to go long. So I don't like the current entry of 27.83 on the long side, but I can't support going long at 18.30. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, seems like a pretty good play to me. Not quite an excellent play. But you really can't go too wrong here on the short side. Forgot to mention too. Yeah. And tomorrow is the big catalyst. And contrary to what most people believe, usually big catalysts are sell the news events. Buy the rumor, sell the news. So it appears like the rumor is being bought right now, and there's a good chance that tomorrow this sells the news. Okay. Again, a lot of bearish indicators. Again, a lot of strong bearish indicators in the double gap up, RSI, aftermarket action, and RSI. Likely going to sell the news tomorrow. Again, this may come back up to 33.70 to complete the cup there, which would be about a 20% upside potential. And again, this should pull back down to 18.30 in the short term to fill the gap there. There was a helicopter outside, which would be about a 35% downside potential. So I would say going short at the current price, 27.83 would be a medium risk, high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. It is a little bit risky because this is a meme stock and theoretically anything can happen. But as long as this stuff is very volatile, but as long as you're able to withstand a little bit of upside risk here, this should pull back down to 1830 to fill the gap. And that should be some pretty fat tendies on the downside. So I can't support going short at the current price, 27.83 and higher. And again, I would cover at 1830, and that should be a relatively easy 35% downside gain. Okay. So in summary, guys, major price action on this stock in the past week. It's not over just yet, but at this point, the chart is starting to look pretty bearish. Fundamentally and technically. So if you want to go long, I would not recommend that. There's a bit more upside to go, but I would not recommend that. Looks like it's due for a big pullback. So if you want to go long, please do that at your own risk. Or wait until 1830, where the gap is. And if you want to go short, looks like a pretty good play to me. Looks like a pretty good play right now. Really good entry. Not too much upside risk, and a lot of downside potential. And it should pay off pretty big. Going short in the short term. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp, or True Social. All right, so that wasn't too bad. That only took about, 25 minutes? Not bad at all. Probably because there's not too much chatting. So, let's finish up the show here. Let's do one more scan. And then let's get into the Yolos, which shouldn't take too long at all. All right, let's see here. IAUX. Okay. We got something here. Okay. Hold up. So this popped on the 10th. 9, 10. Interesting. All right, let's see here. 222. $311. All right, I'm putting an order for IAUX 311. If Trump wins in 2024, do we call him 45 or 47? 45, right? Should be 45. Damn, FSRD is down to 14 now, bro. All right, IAUX. $311. $805. Okay. All right, order in IAUX 311. See if it gets there. Hopefully it does. There's not so many shares shortable left. But he will also be the 47th president if he wins. I don't think it works like that. Because I think there were other presidents, I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'm sure there were like a few presidents that ran twice in different terms, and I don't think they were considered. Were they? I really don't know how that works. I mean, whatever. It is what it is. I don't think it matters too much. What matters if he's president or not. Apparently he's going to get challenged by DeSantis. I don't think DeSantis is gonna win against Trump, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay. OPFI. You know what? This stuff doesn't even matter right now. I'll do this after the show. Nothing is that significant to where we need to do this live. Okay. Alright, the LPX has some news. Alright, we're going to move on from this, because I'm spending too much time here and not actually doing any live rainbow bearing. So there are some possible plays, but... Yeah, so I have an order in for IAUX, that's it. Oh, wait a minute. PDSB, I do have... Uh-oh, never mind. Hedge fund upgrades. Yeah, it's a dub for PDSB. No. Nope. Alright. And it said earnings, too. Yeah, it's a dub. It's a dub for PDSB. Alright, whatever. Let's move on. He will win if Ivanka is running mate. Lol. Please no. Please no. Yeah, no. He should get DeSantis as his running mate. I think that'd be very strong. I mean, they might not like each other, but that'd be, you know, pretty good combination there. Good chance of winning if DeSantis is a running mate. Alright, anyway, guys. Let's move on. Let's get to the Yolos today. Give me a second here to pull it up. Yeah, that's last order of business, Yolos. So this shouldn't take too long. We only have 8 Yolos today. Well, let me pull it up. But yeah, so we're going to get done with this probably in 15 minutes, and we'll get out of here. So if you guys have anything else, questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything, put it in the chat right now. We'll get to that before the show ends. Otherwise, we'll just finish here with the Yolos. Yeah, so I said hour and a half to 2 hours. Looks like we'll be done in about 15 minutes. So right in the middle. Hour 45. That's cool. Grover Cleveland is 22 and 24. Okay, yeah. All right, yeah. Grover Cleveland, that was who. All right, so I guess Trump will be 47 then. So I guess it does work like that. Okay. All right, so yeah, Trump could be 47, 45, and 47. Can he do HKD tie? Yeah, okay. Yeah, we'll do that right now. I need to pee. Hold it in for another 15 minutes. Yeah, so this chart is pretty crazy. So, yeah, just like AMTD, which they're closely related, and the other one, what was it, AVCT? Yeah, this is tough. Tough spot here. That is options. No options, so you can't sell covered calls. Yeah, so either you're going to have to hold this. It doesn't really make too much sense to sell now at this low of a price. Unless you're tax harvesting. So either you have to hold this until the next meme mania, and who knows how that's going to pump. But this will have its day again. Just a matter of, when not, if probably in a few months, when this pumps on meme mania again. So you either wait for that, hit the sell button when it does pump. Hopefully it pumps hard. Or you can deduct it against a fat gain that you made elsewhere. So I'm not sure if you made any profitable gains elsewhere, Koya, but if you did, then you can deduct your loss here from that gain, and that's probably the best way to go about it. So either buy and hold, wait for another squeeze, hit the sell button, or tax harvest. You're looking to get in. Okay. You know, honestly, I would not do it personally because it's I just hate this meme stock stuff. You know, you think you get a good entry and it just keeps on tanking. But it can pay off pretty big. High risk, high reward. So, you know, I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't go for it, but a little biased because I am a rainbow bear. But it can pay off pretty big. So, you know, high risk, high reward. Do it at your own risk, dude. Good luck. Amazon lays off 10,000 today. Now, yeah. So, yeah, that's not breaking news, but I did see that. Yeah, I think that's the biggest layoff ever for the company. So that's pretty bad. Recession incoming. Recession here. You want to get 10 stocks on house money? All right, dude. If you can afford the gamble, if you're okay with losing the money, sure, go ahead. Nothing wrong with that. Just, you know, understand it is a gamble. Okay. Cool. Back to the YOLOs, guys. All right. All loaded up. All right, guys. So today this should be fun. We only have 8 YOLOs. Mostly corn. We have a few memes here, but yeah, this shouldn't take too long. This should be fun. Let's do it, guys. First one by Stocks Lord, RIP. So some of the investors in FTX. Yeah, we got a lot of institutions in here. A lot of institutions getting wrecked. So we got SoftBank, BlackRock, Ontario Teachers Pension. Yeah, that sucks. Sequoia. So the hedge funds can take the L, but damn, the Teachers Pension, that's rough. Tama Bravo, I don't know what that is. Is that a hedge fund? Third Point, Tiger Global, I know those are hedge funds. Lightspeed, is that a hedge fund? Coinbase, they'll be alright. Coinbase had a stake in FTX, alright. And Binance would be alright. No, Binance dumped their FTX, actually. They caused it. And Paul Tudor Jones, who's that? Is that an activist investor? I don't know. Anyway, so, yeah, most of these are hedge funds. They'll be alright, but some of these people, some of these really don't deserve this. Yeah. Who decided to go ape mode with the Ontario Teachers Pension? They deserve to get fired. Anyway, so everyone getting wrecked. The little guy and the big guys. Although the big guys, you know, they'll be alright. But, yeah, do feel really bad for the little guys. But, yeah, everyone getting wrecked. FTX, you know, everyone's out of money here. Oh, should have gave it the end. It's gone.
And it's gone.
Okay. Oh, it's this guy. All right, great. All right, moving on. So this is by Mika Saul's The Best Waifu. I'm officially a effing millionaire. Thank you, Abel Avalan. Thank you, ASTS. Thank you, Wall Street Bets. Love you all. Over 600K gains from this trade. All right, so we're not even going to read all this. But we did. Yeah, so this guy did go full ape mode. This is an update on ASTS. I still don't know why ASTS is such a big thing. Apes really love it right now. Okay. So yeah. Oh, this yeah. So he was in for like. Yeah, he was in for 400K. So he's like a 22-year-old in for 400K. So this is definitely. Yeah, I was talking about that the other day. I'm like, how, bro? This is definitely daddy's money. So I don't even feel like you really earned this. But yeah. So the guy had no idea what he's doing. YOLO'd 400K of daddy's money into ASTS, total meme stock, and now it's worth $1 million. So it made 150%. Just ape YOLO. This is this guy right here. Oh, hold up. Yeah, there we go. All right. I'm not gonna read all this. So he sold. So he has 10K shares left, and he sold everything else. All right, so he sold most of it. It looks like. All right, so yeah. So I think this guy's a total noob with a rich daddy that got lucky And, but, you know, respect for hitting the sell button and not getting greedy. And these are shares, not options. So this is, this actually isn't, like, super, super apish, but yeah, pretty apish. And, you know, sometimes all you need is some luck. Anyway, so, yeah, this is insane. So, yeah, Mika Souls, the best waifu. Thanks for posting. Thanks for the update, dude. You know, I really have no words. I'm pretty sure I told you not to do this and hit the sell button. You know, so, you gambled, and it paid off. And, you did it, you played it correctly, so, congrats to you, dude. This is not typical, but yeah, congrats to you, and you should probably just enjoy your attendees and, you know, just chill out for a little bit. Please don't YOLO. Please don't chuck this back. You can literally retire right now. Anyway, Epic Gain Core. Next posting, dude. Congrats. Good luck to you. And please post updates. All right, by A Train 1189, YOLO'd 185K in Google calls over the next 3 weeks. All right, don't do this, guys. This is ridiculous. But highly entertaining. Great content. So he said it himself. 185K Google calls. November 18th, 95 strike, December 2nd, 102, and December 9th, 105. So we got, all right, yeah, so we said it. Where's Google at? Google. 96 with a 51 RSI. Okay. So, it's not actually 185K YOLO. Anyway, yeah, I'm not exactly sure what the YOLO was, but he's actually up 32K as of right now. So he's printing hard on November 18th, 95 calls. That's already in the money. Up 48K there, and he's down about 4K on the other ones. So, yeah, I think at this point you just sell everything. Take your 32K gain. You never know what's going to happen in 3 weeks. You know, 22%, 32K gain. That's pretty good. If anything, just at least sell the no, actually don't. I was going to say at least sell the 95 and let the others run. No, you should probably just cut everything here. That's probably the best play, the safe option. But hey, you could diamond hands, you could hodl, but this is gonna go 10Ds or 1Ds. So yeah, A Train 1189, thanks for posting. Highly risky. I don't recommend you guys do this. You know, not the I mean the strikes aren't that bad, but bad expirations, and we'll see about the timing. So already a fat gain. I would cut here. Be safe, but hey, if you diamond hands, good luck, dude. You're gonna need it. So congrats so far, and good luck to you. Please post updates. Well, ASTS had news on the weekend. Yeah, I think they had news over the weekend or today. Yeah, I did try to short it, actually. It never got to my entry. What up, Punk Skater? What's up? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Almost done with the show, but yeah, appreciate you as always, dude.
Hey. What's up?
If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you. Oh, they have a new banner. You got like Chad, Johnny Bravo, Wall Street Bets guy here with a dynamite, and you got SBF, Kathy Wood, Jerome Powell, and Elon Musk. What is this? Mount Rushmore? Kaboom. Yeah, they all got wrecked. All right, by Control Your Narrative. 10K worth of Amazon calls. Stock will jump on news of layoffs. Stock will jump on news of layoffs? What? Okay. So we got, yeah, 10K YOLO, Amazon, December 9th. $100 strike. Let's check it out. Okay. So, still pretty risky. So the strike is good on 100. You know, that's pretty decent strike. Expiration's not that bad. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, it's an FD. It's less than a month. It's not the worst FD, but yeah, it's an FD. And, Yeah, there's like a gap on the upside and the downside. So this can go either way. This is pretty risky. So as of right now, I guess you just hold because it's you really can't do anything else. Has a good chance of finishing in the money. So personally, I would never do this, and I don't recommend you guys do this. Good strike, bad expiration. We'll see about the timing. Yeah, I guess at this point, what's Delta actually? December 9th, 100. Delta's 49. So yeah, like this is a coin flip. 49% chance. So coin flip. This can go either way. So hey, that's better chance than roulette. So yeah, highly risky, high risk, high reward, 10Ds or 1Ds. I don't recommend you guys do this. But this can go either way, 50-50 here. So good luck to you. Control your narrative. I'm rooting for you. You're gonna need it. You can always cash out right now and close the trade for a small gain. But yeah, good luck to you, dude. Hope it prints, and please post updates. Dude, Netflix was crazy today. My call went up 50% sold, then it went up another 50%. How did Netflix? We'll look at Netflix. Did it? I cut Netflix. I did not see Netflix today. Man, it went up on 10K layoffs. Market makes no sense. Yeah, the whole thing's a meme. The whole thing's a meme. Don't even question it. Nothing makes sense. Don't even try to make sense of it. Yeah, company stock goes up on news of layoffs because company saves money. All right, that's a valid point. That's a valid point. But it can go either way. Right? Because usually that's bearish. Yeah, who knows? All right, 4 more. By VCity604. Amazon puts. So this guy had calls. This guy's puts. What do you think I should do? Should I hold on to it? Currently up over 13K or just exercise my options? What would you do? All right. Amazon. All right. November 18th at 105 put. And it's in the money. Okay. So this expires Friday. Yeah. Okay. So I don't know how much he's up. Oh, he's up 13K. All right, so I'm not sure what the cost basis is, but he's up 13K. Yeah, this is a cut. This is a pretty obvious cut, in my opinion, at least. So first of all, this guy, you can tell he's a noob because he wants to exercise his options. Guys, do not ever exercise your options. There are 2 situations where you should, where the where theta is so close that it doesn't even matter to expiration. Or you want to exercise and collect dividends. Those are the only situations you should ever exercise. It never makes sense to exercise because you will lose money on IV or is it EV? I forget. Anyway, so no, never exercise. Sell your shares back or sell your options back. Do not exercise. So this guy's total noob. You can tell already. So yes, don't exercise. I would sell it back. So I'm not sure what the cost basis is, but 13K is a really good gain. It's already in the money. 4 days to go, and good chance it finishes in the money and you make more. But yeah, don't even play. Just cash it out, especially because you're a noob. You know, you probably have no idea what you're doing. Cash it out. So yeah, VCity604. Thanks for posting. Let's be honest, you have no idea what you're doing. But hey, sometimes you just need to get lucky. So you got lucky here, up 13K, a lot of money. Hit the sell button, dude. Hit the sell button. Secure the gains. But no matter what happens, please post updates. So congrats to you. Good luck. And yeah, please post updates. Take the money and run. Yes, take the money and run. Especially because he has no idea what he's doing. He literally clicked some buttons, made 13K. All right. By Janky2. I finally deleted my Robinhood account. When can I expect my Wall Street Bets plaque in mail? All right, pretty impressive. So in May, all right, this makes sense though. So he had 90K. He was up 54K, 146% back in May 2021, May 3rd. That was me and my ex's anniversary. Okay. But this was back during Meme Mania round 2, I remember. So yeah, this guy thought he was a genius whenever it was really just Meme Mania. So 90K. Less than a year later, February 7th, 2022, down to 72K. So he lost 20K in a year. And in the past year, he's down 85K. Blew up his whole account.
And it's gone.
Yeah, so this is what you call a gambling addiction. This guy's a problem. So, yeah, he ran it up on meme stocks, on Meme Mania, thought he was a genius, and continued to replicate those results. And when it's not Meme Mania, you're going to get wrecked. So, yeah, he was up. He was up quite a bit. He was up 54K and finishes down 85K. So, yeah, obviously, meme stocks and options, FDs, maybe even margin. Yeah, so this is what you don't do, guys. This is your typical Robinhood account, and I don't really feel bad. I mean, I do, but totally his fault. And unfortunately, this is how some apes gotta learn, and some apes never learn. So yeah, epic lost corn, epic gain corn, and then epic lost corn. So yeah, Jen Kitsu, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not really. I mean, I do feel bad. This is a lot of money, but hope you're okay. Hope you can learn from your mistakes. And yes, you definitely do deserve a Wall Street Bets plaque at the very minimum. Yeah, thanks for hosting. Great content. Good luck to you, dude. All right, two more. This is by Competitive Ed 154. Deleted inside. All right, so no idea what this guy did, but this is worse than the other guy. So yeah, obviously this is FDs. Options. That went really, really wrong. And he lost like all of it at once. So probably YOLO'd his whole account on one play, which don't do that, guys. So yeah, so he's down 102K. 97.5% all time.
And it's gone.
Okay. Yeah, so no idea. Well, this is definitely FD YOLOs. Not sure what the plays were, but yeah, he effed up. It says gain. So, yep, there goes your account. That's a lot of money, dude. So, yeah, competitive ad, 154. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not really. Totally your fault. Yeah, this is rough. So, I hope you're okay. Hope you're learning a lesson. And, yeah, thanks for posting. Epic loss cord. All right, last one. By Low Common 1579. Am I doing this right? All right, so this guy's down 27K. Again, no idea what, but it looks like FDs. The chart looks like FDs. Looks like he lost most of his account. Had one final YOLO, one final gamble, and there goes his whole account. So, not much to say here, but yeah, blew up 27K, which is probably his whole account. So what can we learn, guys? Stop with the FDs. Stop with the options. Stop buying options. If you're gonna do it, be safe. Buy leaps, not FDs. And only invest what you can afford to lose. Only gamble what you can afford to lose. All right, anyway, guys. That's all the YOLOs for today. So last order of business. Let's look at Netflix and Meta real quick. Netflix 3.5%. All right, that's not bad. 300. That's pretty good. Yeah, I should have held. Should have sold at 300. Yeah, Netflix is pumping. Nice. So, yeah, sorry you couldn't get 100% of gains, Punk Skater, but 50% you got to be happy with that. And Meta. All right, so this went up a little bit, 1%. But yeah, kind of odd. Anyway, let's do one more scan and get out of here. So yeah, I said 2 hours, right? I said hour and a half, 2 hours. Looks like we're going to finish in about 2 hours. So yeah, last thing, scan, we'll get out of here. So thank you guys today for the show. I don't know if I'm going to do the video, but we'll see. But yeah, this is a really good show. A lot of content to cover. A lot of articles. TA and YOLOs were pretty good too. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. Thank you guys today. All right, looks like nothing's going on. All right, cool. Let me check YouTube real quick, and let's get out of here. I think most people dipped. Oh, no. We're at 5 viewers, 10 likes. All right, so guess you guys are lurking. So appreciate everyone who's still here. Not sure who's here, but I guess it's Punk Skater, Swarls, maybe Zach, Koya, whoever. Appreciate you guys as always. Where's my memes?
I appreciate you. You loyal.
All right, that is the show for today, guys. So thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. So I'll see you guys back here tomorrow and on Discord. All right, cool. All right, later, Swirls, and everyone else. Oh. All right. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.